Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming access. You need Google Ads permissions and Looker Studio edit rights. Once confirmed, open Looker Studio and create a new report. This is where you begin. Select the Google Ads connector, sign in, and grant the connector permission to pull data. Make sure to choose the correct ads account and MCC if you manage multiple accounts. Once done, select a campaign view or account-level metrics as your initial data source, and add a blank chart to verify the feed. Next, configure what you'll analyze. Pick primary metrics like clicks, impressions, cost, and conversions so you cover performance and spend. Then add dimensions such as campaign, ad group, date, and device to break data down meaningfully. Use the charts data panel to replace defaults and set aggregation types. For cost, use SUM. For CTR, use a calculated field. Once those are in place, apply filters or segments to narrow to specific campaigns, date ranges, or devices for clearer insight. Finish by creating calculated fields for CTR, CPA, and ROAS so you get actionable KPIs. Use simple formulas and test them on a sample chart. Then arrange visuals, add controls for date and campaign selectors, and set refresh or extract scheduling to keep data current. Once done, share the report with stakeholders or export CSVs. If numbers look off, check account permissions, the selected date range, and whether Google Ads sampling or multiple linked accounts cause discrepancies. Fix those and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.